Yeah, it looks like it's getting above that buy point of 97.88. So cup with handle, it has an RS line blue dot. It's really been there's been a nice surge of volume kind of coming in as it moved higher right before it formed the cup with handle, and then also as it formed the cup with handle, there was an early entry as it moved above the October 25th high of around 96.47, which I actually didn't get in on, but so now I'm considering, the handle entry here. It had a really strong earnings growth in the most recent quarter, 315%. Decent sales growth. They also raised guidance for the full year as well. So there's positive things happening there. And strong earnings expected for 2023. I like the accumulation distribution rating of A. It shows that there's definitely solid institutional support here. It's not too far extended above the 50-day line either. So that is another positive. And industry group ranking of 5 out of 197, another box that it checks. So yeah, for me, I'm considering starting, maybe a quarter position or a half position here and seeing how it does, and then maybe adding as it continues to move up in the buy range here.
All right, I'm going to bring up another one. TDW, Tidewater. Slightly different group. This is oil services. Showing pretty good action though. Earnings, I guess, are coming up.
Yeah, earnings definitely makes difficult. This one looks like it's kind of been chopping around sideways here, sort of consolidating after that breakout back in June from prior consolidation. It's been touching off support at the 50-day line. There could be a downward sloping trend line to set to connect those tops there, which it could be breaking above possibly soon. Not quite as crisp of a setup as Weatherford in terms of a really pure kind of cup with handle setup, but still kind of the same idea, downward sloping trend line here, possible early entry. Nice to see the RS line sort of moving higher. And yeah, I would say this one's definitely one to watch. Industry group rank at number one. Can't argue with that.
And one more for you. This had earnings a day or two ago. MPC, Marathon Petroleum, more in the refining space.
Yeah, this one, so definitely not a double bottom, but you've got that short-term resistance there that you could still be sort of using as a potential place to start a position, although it would have been kind of difficult yesterday. But I would be looking at the buy point here of this base as a possible entry. RS line shooting higher like that, it's a good sign. Got some blue volume bars as well, so that's also looking good. Earnings for this one look a little bit weaker than the other two that we just looked at, so that's something to consider.